had some bizarre explanations for the recession. Have you heard the latest? Apparently, it's all down to porn.
A new report obtained by ABC News reveals that some top government officials responsible for policing Wall Street have a staggering obsession with pornography, spending hour after hour surfing porn sites on their government computers.
They said the bankers were blind not to see the recession, and now we know why. I figured out the way to stop this, right? We reconfigure their laptops so that every time they look at porn, this happens. Everyone in the office was looking at porn. The accountants, the CEOs, the cleaners, even the hoovers.